Welcome back, rum friends. Today I've got another brand new cocktail that I've created. This one's for anyone that loves passion fruit as an ingredient in here. We've got a little bit of spiced rum, but a gorgeous Cuban rum liqueur coming out to play. Now I'm on a mission to create 100 brand new rum cocktails. The wider mission, well, I'll announce that later in 2026, but my style of cocktail, I wouldn't call it tiki. I wouldn't call it tropical. My brand is just simply fun, faff-free, and flipping tasty rum cocktails. So if you like the sound of that and you want to find out more rum cocktails, then make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Right, so I've called this cocktail Spice Trail because we're going to start off with some spiced rum. I'm going to talk through all these ingredients as normal after I've made the cocktail. So we're just going to dive into the ingredients. Going 30ml, 1 ounce of my Sly Dog spiced rum. Going to complement that with some of my gorgeous Cuban sort of rum liqueur. 30ml, 1 ounce. I adore this stuff. I've actually got 4 bottles of it here. Then to complete our sour element of the cocktail, I like building the sour first. I'm going for some lime juice, the same as the previous two, 30ml, 1 ounce. Then the sweetness, to build out that sort of 3 elements of the sour, I'm going for orgeat syrup, 15ml, half an ounce. Right, now to layer on some other flavours. Cracking a new bottle of Chinola. This is the passion fruit liqueur. Stay tuned, you'll find out what this is if you don't know already. Just 20ml, 20. Then to complement that, I just want some sort of vanilla syrup. Not much, you don't need too much, just to balance the flavours. 10ml. Then after a quick shake, I'm just going to serve this up in my gorgeous little Tiki julep tin. Love this thing. That is beautiful, stunning, not cloyingly sweet for me, perfectly balanced. I get a passion fruit and spiced rum top note. You very quickly get that Cuban rum liqueur that you cannot miss that once you understand what it is. You cannot miss that in there. That is delicious. You've got that sort of lovely almondy note from the orgeat, and it just beautifully comes together with that lime juice. It's simple, but it is stunning. So let me talk you through these ingredients that I'm using here. The Sly Dog. Now, before I go any further, I just want to give a quick shout out to a new brand that I'm working with on this channel, and news of a discount code that all my viewers can use if you're based in the UK, the US, or Europe. Now, this brand is Urban Bar. You will have seen bits already in this video, but anything coming up in future videos will always be from Urban Bar. The discount code will be in the description below. Remember, you can use it if you're UK based, US based, or European based, and you can use it on your first 5 purchases. Well, it's a cracking spiced rum. I would say generic kind of spices, your cinnamon cloves, your nutmegs. There's nothing crazy going on here, but it's an absolutely delicious spiced rum. Then this little bad boy, the RUM COCKTAIL Elixir 33. Legendario have an elixir as well. Cuban rum brands typically, from what I know, have their own elixirs. They are their Cuban rum liqueurs. This one's 33% ABV. It's just lovely. It's got this luscious sort of sweetness to it. For me on this, I get like a little chocolatey note as well, but it's kind of like dried fruit. That is the sort of flavour profile of this, but the finish is with this subtle sort of chocolatey. I've got, as I say, 3-4 bottles of it down here. I've never really used it too much because I drink it neat, but I want to start dropping this in some cocktails because it's absolutely beautiful. And then the only other ingredient that I think I need to sort you through, if you don't know already, Chinola. It's a US brand actually, so you should be able to get it easier in the US than you can here in the UK and around Europe. But essentially Dominican Republic rum blended with Dominican Republic passion fruits. And the same goes for the pineapple and the same goes for the mangoes. They are 22%, 21% ABV. They're quite healthy. I personally keep the fridge. I bring them out for filming sessions, but I do keep them in the fridge. But they are gorgeous for adding proper fresh fruit taste to your rum cocktails. Now, if you were going to make this cocktail at home, what ingredient subs would you make for this? Or would you just buy those ingredients? Would you use a different sort of passion fruit liqueur? Would you use a different fruit, maybe mango or something like that? Different spiced rum, different liqueur? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see another recipe that I've created, dive into that video up there.